say, what's cool about this sea is that that's so calm. Like this ocean, like Pacific Ocean, it's known for when discoverers came here. It was completely calm, no waves at all. And that's what we are seeing right now, like no waves at all. It's super calm. I never saw like a ocean so calm. Even the rivers are way more, have way more waves than now. Like look at this. Oh yeah, so behind me now is another arc. This arc looks kind of cooler. If you see now, behind me. Looks pretty cool. And the smell here. Basically this island is like poo island. Like these birds just shit on this island and that gives the color to the island. What do you think about this?
Nothing, just maybe think about shit again.
Yeah, the door needs to feels like a shit. Yesterday we were eating some not so fresh seafood. At least we went to eat seafood that was super good. First of all, it was used my favorite dish till yesterday. And yesterday the food was not best, I would say. The stomach was virgin after it.